Austin Castro, and welcome to the Adventuredome Theme Park here at Circus Circus, Las Vegas. This is by far my favorite place to go in Las Vegas, and of course, I couldn't come here without making a stop by. I'm here with my cousins, Chelsea, Cheska, and Maddie somewhere over there. We do this every year.
I know we do.
We do this exact same vlog every single year.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna run into someone right now. Here at the Adventuredome today, we're checking out all the coolest rides, including the Canyon Blaster, El Loco, and just a lot of really cool things. I'm gonna run into everyone right now.
Put like over.
My ashy hands. My ashy, crusty, dusty hands.
Last time we went on this, Chelsea's bag.
Oh, yeah,
Didn't your bag almost hit you on the chaos? Gosh, these Adventuredome vlogs, like, they're something else, all right. Very ready. It's about to happen. Oh no, I'm not ready anymore. Very hot. Oh, very, very hot. Oh no. Oh no! No! Oh my god. I don't know how to feel about it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. How was your head after that ride?
It hurts. It's like aching right now. Like,
Good.
it just hurts.
That's how you know it was a good ride. Every time I come to a theme park, I start screaming, and then I lose my voice. And I'm pretty sure that's gonna happen this time again. These really amazing group of kids like just recognized us from the Adventuredome vlog. I feel really honored, and I was kind of freaking out, but I never get recognized. It's kind of weird.
And kindly hang on to your treasure.
So Chelsea and I are on one end of the pirate ship, and Maddie and Jessica are on the other end. And I get like really motion sick. I feel like this is gonna be a really bad idea. Oh no. Okay.
Stand up and
Oh, I don't like this anymore. This ride traumatized me as a kid. I don't know why we're on this. Okay. Okay, it's happening. Oh my god. I had to. So glad we're done. Okay. Yay. We barely just started going on rides and I already have a headache. And I feel my voice going now. Is that a clown? Is that Ronald McDonald I see over there? We're on the Disney right now. This ride is one of the rides that definitely wants me to go on. Oh no.
I feel like I'm gonna look cringy. No.
Oh, now we're spinning. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Oh, now we're going. Now we're going. I forgot how easily motion sick I get. If you get dizzy like me, probably shouldn't go on this ride. Right now, probably my least favorite ride here at the Adventuredome. I mean, it's a fun ride. It hurts, and I feel the blood rushing to my head, and this will probably be a thumbnail for the vlog. This is my least favorite part. Not, oh no. Ah! Last time she was on, she brought her iPad.
Ready for the pun again.
She wasn't ready.
Oh my
This ride does things. Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Okay, we're going. Ah! 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 This was a horrible idea. Ah! What? Ah! 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 No! Ah! I'm crying. I'm literally crying right now. Ah! Ah! Okay. Ah! No! Go! 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 Don't! No! No! Ah! Ah! Not for this. Ah! I can't even scream anymore. Are we done? Ah! 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 I don't know anymore. No, we're done. Wait, okay, we're done. We're done, right? Okay. Look at everyone. Okay, we're done. Okay. We're not doing that ride again. There's something about hanging upside down for a few seconds that really messes with your head. Adobo Nation. So right now we're taking a break from the very intense thrill rides here at the Adventuredome, and now we're here on the Drifters hot air balloon Ferris wheel.
It's been pretty fun, honestly. I liked it. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Quick tip about the Adventuredome. Try and not do all of the thrill rides back to back. Take some time to go on something like this Ferris wheel because it's very relaxing.
Say that to me.
Yay! Look, it's everyone's favorite ride, the Road Runner thing. Do you like getting dizzy? Because I do, which is why we're going on this ride.
What are we doing on this ride?
No.
My head. So much better going back.
I'm gonna get Whiplash on this ride. Welcome to the Whiplash Express.
No, people taking pictures of us.
Excuse me, sir, I have my own camera for that. He's probably just like, sir, can you put your camera away? I really have to pee. I make this mistake every time I go on a ride. This camera's about to die. Another fun Adventuredome tip, apparently come at night because there are literally no lines to anything. You see, this isn't too bad. Yeah, this is fun. Get a nice little breeze, get out of the Vegas heat. I know it's freezing. Oh no. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Whoa! I don't remember this. Whoa! I don't remember that last time we went on. I don't remember that last time we went on. We're done now, right? I feel it slowing down. Oh my god! Oh my god! I promise you guys, this did not happen last time we went on this ride. Wait, okay. For a second, I was terrified that we were stuck on there. And I'm like, no, I'm not about to be stuck on this ride. Chelsea, are you ready to do this?
Yes, I'm ready. A little bit nervous, but it's okay. I'll do good.
It's gonna be fun. Let's go. We made it onto El Loco, probably my favorite ride here at the Adventuredome. I'm so terrified right now. I've been terrified on all of these rides, but El Loco, it's a very unique roller coaster. Chelsea, how do you feel?
I'm feeling the drop.
Oh, here we go. That first drop is so terrifying. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no! Ah! Ah! I hate roller coasters. I don't know why I do this to myself. Oh boy. Here we go. Ah! Ah! Okay, we're upside down. Ah! Ah! I swear those loops, every time you go upside down, that gets to me. 10 out of 10, probably the best ride here at the Adventuredome.
It was crazy, but like the drop part was like, I didn't like it, but I guess it was fun.
Can you please show the photo?
Ew. I look terrible. Like, what even is my hair? We all look so bad. All bad.
So we're now leaving the Adventuredome. Bye. It was definitely a fun day. Adventuredome vlog. If you did like this video, be sure to give a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and until then, see you guys on the internet. Chelsea, you're gonna be on a double nation.
Oh no, that's gonna be so cringy. We'll see how that goes.
Well, we just finished going on the El Loco like for the 3rd time. So, magic of editing here. We went on basically every ride, probably 2 or 3 times. We take the best take, put it in the video, and that's how this happens. It's lit!